All right, so today I got some new stuff from Temu.com, and so I found this dice set. It was only $15.90. Not sponsored or nothing, but that's the product ID there if you want to go check them out. And this is my first set of metal dice, and I just gotta say they are beautiful. They have a great weight to them. They're very shiny. Feel very solid coming out of the bags there. Each one's individually bagged. It took me about a week or a week and a half to get them here. I'm sure they came from overseas, but they were just beautiful. In fact, I think right here we're just going to get a little bit of a close-up of that 20. So yeah, I mean, green's one of my favorite colors. Technically burnt orange is my go-to, but this copper-esque look for the metal is great. Kind of like an emerald inlay. And I'm just sitting here. I'm doing a voiceover, but man, this thing was so awesome. I just ramble on how awesome it is. So here's a close-up of the entire dice set. Yeah, and of course, the next thing that you know, we're going to be letting you listen to some rolls here in a second. Here's that D20 again. I'm just obsessed with. That was a pretty cool little find. I also got me some light-up dice. I'll show in another video. But just look at it. Like this one, I didn't even realize it until I started filming. Got that slight curve to them. So let's listen to a couple rolls here. Sounds like a great set of dice to me. Got a couple more rolls too. Here we go. Throwing each individual one and hitting the camera. Had some issues with F4. But yeah, overall, really like the set. Do me a favor if you could. Please hit that like button, click subscribe, ring the bell. If you're on TikTok or Instagram, follow me. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks, guys, and have a great day.